It's the end of the world as we know it. Oh my God. It's Chicago in February. Groundhog Day. Look at that. There's, excuse me. Is that snow? No. Listen to the news outlets. Oh my God, it's the worst thing that's ever happened for a million years. I don't know. I'm here in the Chicago area. There's a Portilla's hot dog place down there. There's a Von Moore. I mean, who doesn't want to go there, right? So this kind of looks like winter. I'm not sure we really need to freak out. Oh my God, we're gonna die. Yes, we are. That is Interstate 88, by the way. Huh, not really seeing the cars having much trouble navigating a couple of snowflakes. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just me because I'm the hamster. You give me snow, I'll bust through it like Arnold Schwarzenegger. I don't know. What the fuck? Everybody's freaking out. Oh, look at that. There's a power line thing there. See it? Right? Like there-ish. It's got snow on it. Oh my God, no. What are we gonna do? Oh my God. Let me out. I noticed there's a thing here. You can actually, can you open the window? I think it's time. Too much snow. I can't handle it. So we're in Lombard, Illinois. Illinois. For you evil people overseas. What do you mean Illinois? There's an NOIS there. It's like Illinois. I'm a Frenchie. So yeah, there it is. 5th floor at the Embassy Suites. Is this really the Embassy? Sure. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm in Chicago. Give me a hot dog. Mike Dicka. But, well, it's not really Chicago. It's west. But here you go. The end of the world snowfall. Everybody's talking about the snow. Well, when I was a kid, here's the old hamster talk. You know, when I was a kid, we'd get this for breakfast, and then we'd get 25 inches more by lunch. And on the way home, we'd have to walk over the roofs of houses just to get to Mommy's place to eat supper. Yeah, it wasn't quite that bad. This is ridiculous. I mean, even FedEx is not delivering anymore. It's like, why? What's the problem? Are we becoming weak people? Now, I admit, I drove over there somewhere. And, yeah, it was a little sloppy on the roads, right? It's mushy. Little salt, little ice. But, I mean, for fuck's sake, this is nothing. Yet there's a blizzard warning in effect till 6 o'clock. How will I survive? I don't know.